Light switch. On, I can't dim. You sit and laugh to yourself, thinking to yourself that you've won your deeds and you finally destroyed me. But little do you know, many before you have seen my power and talents. Many before you have already tried to destroy me. They've all seen my power and they wonder to themselves, why wasn't it me that has been blessed with powers like her? But wicked is a dark cloud and shan't be rewarded. Remember, before we was born, God has held us in his palms, and he already saw our destiny and potential. Some are lucky and some bend their luck. I shall stay my creative head-on self, simple and repeating is boring. I shall flaunt my talents and hang on to it. If I bury myself to become a nobody, I would have cut my own throat, for I'm gifted from the Most High. Good prizes don't belong in the trash. I shall evolve more and more. I don't bow to no one's feet. I'm too much power and grace. I charge with the night skies and awake with the morning fresh skies. Every new day is a fresh sheet of work. They shall not beat me, whispering in my ears that I shall not win. Maybe so, but I was sure to fight every day, not to become a low-lifted devil, laughing at people's struggles, like they're mightier than God, trying to fool me. I'm a bright soul, even in my dark, weak days. My soul still pushes on and try to revive me. My talent refuses to die. My enemies can't sleep at night because their mind ponders, knowing to themselves they messed with the wrong one, the highly one. Us righteous people can't be cast down by our enemies, but risen to our own power and potential and grace. God shall guide us on again and again.